Hi, my name is Dhruv Vemala and I'm an engineer at Tintri. Today I'll demonstrate how we can use the Tintri PowerShell Toolkit to configure quality of service for a large number of database VMs that I have using TGC's service groups. So, what we're seeing here is the Tintri PowerShell Toolkit, a command line interface to your VM stores and the Tintri Global Center. Let's connect to our Tintri Global Center, or TGC for short. Alright, we are in. Now, let's create a service group that acts as a container for our VMs. Okay, let's add our VMs to this service group. Turns out, we named all our database VMs in a certain way. They have the text tingle in them. So, let's add them with a rule. Let's check if that worked. Great. So, how do we configure quality of service for these VMs? We can do so by applying a QoS policy to this service group. What we're saying here is, all the VMs in this service group need to be guaranteed 500 normalized IOPS at minimum. Once this is configured on the service group, it is automatically applied to all the VMs. If any new VMs are created in the future with the same name pattern, tingle, TGC will add them to this service group and apply the same policy to them, so you don't have to ever configure it again. If there are a couple of VMs that are named differently, but you want them to be a part of this service group, you can also add them statically. Let's add this VM to the service group. Now, let's check our TGC web UI to see if everything was configured correctly. Here's our database VM service group with a description, with a name pattern. Here are the list of VMs added to it, and here's the QoS policy applied to the service group and therefore to all the VMs. To download the Tintri PowerShell Toolkit, visit the support portal. You can check out more examples on using the PowerShell Toolkit at github.com/Tintri. Thank you for watching.